Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven in Transition. As promised in the last episode, we're showing you how to make the easiest and most delicious breakfast yet. My very own recipe for pancakes. We will be making this using our trusty hot plate. Let's begin. To make this pancakes for two, you will need a bowl, one large egg. Whisk it lightly. At the moment, I don't even have a whisk, so I'm doing it with a fork. Just loosen it. Then we add 250 grams of natural yogurt. Thick natural yogurt. Whisk it again. Then we add a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, and stir it again. And that's that. And now the flour. 140 grams of plain flour into the sieve and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift it in. They are fluffy, light, absolutely delicious. You can have them with anything you like, from just maple syrup to crispy bacon. And now I'm just going to fold it in with a spoon. I'm not very well equipped yet at the moment. All my stuff is still in boxes, so I'm just making things do. Stir it just until combined and you don't see any dry flour. Don't overdo it, don't overmix it. It will be thick and lumpy and it's fine. That's it. Ready. There. This is the consistency. Very thick. On to the frying pan, I'm adding about a tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil. Swirl it around. Make sure that the frying pan is nice and hot, and just the oil, and just spoon out small portions with your spoon. There will be about, I don't know, probably 6 or 7 at a time. Just drop them gently. That's it. 3 minutes on each side. Now we're going to turn them over. Look at them. Look at their thickness. Absolutely love them. They're just my favorite. And 3 minutes. And they're ready. Look at them. Look at them. Quickly, the next batch, just a tiny bit of oil. I'm using, by the way, sunflower oil, just to grease the pan. And they're all ready, and I'm serving the pancakes with some fresh fruit, some raspberries and blueberries. Dust them lightly with some icing sugar, our favorite maple syrup, all over. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven, and thank you all so much for bearing with us through our transition period. We're sorry we won't be posting any Christmas episodes this year, but we'll make it up to you next year. We wish you as good a Christmas and New Year as is possible. We hope you and your loved ones are safe. It's time to leave this ghastly year behind and hope for a better year to come. And until next time, bye.